How to change your password in Vimeo. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your password in Vimeo. And to do so is very simple. The first step is to log in into your Vimeo account just like I have done here. And so once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. And once you're on this page, the next step is for you to move to the um left side of the screen, all right, where you can see your home page, your library, your live events, etc. Then move to the top right corner where you can see your avatar icon or your profile icon, and then you click on it. Once you click on it, a drop down menu will appear. In this menu, ensure you select settings, and after selecting settings, you'll be taken to your settings page. On this page, move to the left side, scroll down and click on password. Okay, so now you can see reset your password, and once you can see the next step is for you to enter in the new password that you'd like to change it to. Okay, so this is the password for me. Then confirm the new password by typing out the same and click save, and just like that your password has been changed. This is how it works. Okay, it's very simple, so go ahead and change that password today. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.